students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear how equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity is affected when there is change in demand. So let us prepare first of all DD demand curve and SS supply curve. Both the supply curve intersect each other on point E. E will be the equilibrium point, OQ will be the equilibrium quantity, and OP will be the equilibrium price. So change in supply means both increase in supply or decrease in supply. So let us prepare first of all two common diagrams for the determination of equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Now in this first diagram we have to clear change in supply. First diagram indicates increase in supply and second diagram decrease in supply. So let us see what will be the effect of increase in supply. Increase in supply means change in supply towards right hand side. So supply curve shift from SS to SS, S1, S1 towards right hand side, and new equilibrium point will be E1. New equilibrium price will be P1 and new equilibrium quantity will be Q1. So due to increase in supply there will be extension of quantity demanded will be increases, rather equilibrium price will be diminishes. So we can write the effect there is decrease in equilibrium price and increase in equilibrium quantity. Next we have to clear that there is decrease in supply. Decrease in supply means SS supply curve will shift towards left hand side. So this S1 will be the new supply curve, and from S1 supply curve or DD demand curve new equilibrium point will be E1. New equilibrium price will be P1. There will be increase in equilibrium price, rather equilibrium quantity will be diminishes from Q to Q1. So what will be the effect? Effect will be increase in equilibrium price and decrease in equilibrium quantity. Next we have to clear how equilibrium price and quantity is affected when there is change in demand. Change in demand means both increase in demand or decrease in demand. So this first diagram we are preparing DD demand curve, SS supply curve, equilibrium point, equilibrium price, OQ equilibrium quantity. Equilibrium point, equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Now in first diagram let us clear increase in demand. Second diagram indicates decrease in demand. Increase in demand, first of all increase in demand, demand curve shift towards right hand side from DD to D1. New equilibrium point will be E1 with the help of D1 or SS supply curve. New equilibrium point will be P1. Equilibrium price will increases from P to P1 and equilibrium quantity will also increases from Q to Q1. तो इफेक्ट increase in equilibrium price and also increase in equilibrium quantity. In our next diagram we have to clear decrease in demand. Decrease in demand means DD demand curve shift towards left hand side from DD to D1. New equilibrium point will be E1. New equilibrium price will be P1 and new equilibrium quantity will be Q1. So equilibrium point price will diminishes and equilibrium quantity will also diminishes. So the effect will be, there will be decrease in equilibrium price and also decrease in equilibrium quantity. So do subscribe the video to see more topics related to market equilibrium. Thank you.